Thanks a lot to Sukhpreet for setting it up. I'll be taking over from the components now, talking about the products that the CTT has worked on, and then moving on to the different consulting bits that we have done. Quickly taking through all the 13 products across all the one by one, starting with eSamvad, right? For eSamvad, one of the key problem statements was how do we actively engage with parents proactively. Uh, the solution tool that enabled templatized being shared, such as messages like general notices and everything. Over the period, it sort of evolved student assessment data, sort of enabled personalized messages being sent. And now we also have a provision to this app. Uh, the key sort of, talk about here is that 97% of all the schools are now registered in Ahmedabad, along with other metrics that is here. And mind you, 2019 we had no product that was key products in the state. Moving on to Shiksha Sati, we did along the lines of monitoring and mentoring evaluation was OMR sheets. It was good, but it still required a lot of manual work to be done. So can we solve for that? This was the answer, where first we had configurable forms, geolocation tagging, offline support, and real-time data visualization. Key metric that I need to sort of mention here is that 25% compliance was achieved in the short span of time. Now this number may seem small, but for a tech intervention, I find this encouraging with the hope that as we go along, the uptake will be more higher. Moving on to sort of assessment dashboards. Now, just adding and building on what Ayush said yesterday, relevant and contextual data and processing that is the key, right? So, assessments across the year create a lot of data. How do we sort of ensure that we make sense of the data in a way that will really be helpful? So this has been that helps us to do a crisp, filterable visualization of the data. Key metric that I want to sort of share here is that we have recurring, like repeating month coming back to the platform. Moving on to Harghar Partnership, one of the rock star sort of products. So the problem statement here was COVID, and the solution was a content repository with assessments, worksheets, and even like now it has evolved where government is sharing key notices on through this. Key metric that I want to highlight here is the staggering number of the views that it has received, over 3 crores. So really inspiring. Coming to some Samiksha, as Supri was mentioning, it was very similar. Monitoring we had to capture. So same stuff here where configurable forms, geotagging, line support, and real-time data visualization. Now what also happened was a ask came from the department that we capture attendance along with each of the students. So the team quickly worked on it, and it sailed through the stakeholders, and also uptake was really high. One of the key metrics for this app that I want to talk about is that the compliance rate has been 70%, which gives me confidence for the earlier compliance as well. So that. Moving on to SAT dashboards. Again, SAT is like a scheduled assessment that the SCRT conducts over the year for everyone. So, the statement is very the previous one in Himachal. So this also helps us to find filterable insights of the assessment data to drive data-driven decision making. Key metric is the views has been 1,000, where the department officers are the key holders for this. Moving on to board results dashboard, same problem statement, different. Moving on to the Krushi Unnat Sayogi app. Now, here, challenge for us, we had to quickly come up with a tool for ground state where the penetration and reliability of internet was not very good. So what do? We sort of learn from our own experiences and quickly come up with ODK based sort of app. Now, key thing that that sort of excites me for this is that if you see, there were 5 associates that were there who profiled over 1 lakh in a mere 45-day tenure. So that's really inspiring. Moving on to farmer database. Now, here the problem statement is very straightforward. It is straightforward, not the problem. So there are multiple departments dealing with multiple steps of a farmer's transactions, different transactions. Multiple source of truth data, right? No single standard. Now, farmer database is an audacious approach to standardize everything with one key IP being assigned to each of the farmers. Key KPI that I want to highlight is that more than 81 lakh farmers are envisioned to be verified through this. Moving on to Prerna Ghoshna. So again, Prerna Ghoshna is sort of here the challenge is to capture the throughout the state over next 2 years, standardizing oral assessments. Now, what did we do for this? Again, used our previous learnings, created a ODK-based form to sort of capture all the data, and also Google's read-along app, which sort of which was talked about yesterday as well, and it sort of helps you capture the students' score of how they are performing while they are speaking, and sort of from to there, and then it comes back. Is really useful. Key is that 30 lakh students are envisioned assessed over the period of next 2 years. Coming to assessment dashboards, assessment and Diksha sort of dashboards. Here the problem statement is that, as we all know, is teacher training. Assessment and monitoring in case of UP is happening on a tool which is also out of our control, but we want to process the data as we would want to. So we have come up with this sort of dashboard which sort of helps us process it way. Yep. Quickly moving on to resume builder bot and candidate consent. These were 2 experiments that we ran. The first bot, the problem statement here was these students were skipping interviews because they did not know what it was and how to make it. So we quickly sort of created a bot that sort of helped them answer. Of resume was created. A candidate consent bot similarly was for Rozgar portal, where we experimented with WhatsApp, IVRS, the consent data. The uptake was not really impressive, but both these experiments gave us a lot of insights and learnings about how to work with the bot. Cool, that was about the products. Now moving on to the consulting bit. So mentioned earlier, these are the 7 engagements that we have been part of. The first being NCVT. Here, a new sort of system was envisioned, a new department envisioned to come up with a diagnostic of the existing system and digital system for the same. So the first output that we came up with was a diagnostic of what is happening, how it should sort of be done. And then we also worked on helping them create the RFP. Moving on to the PPP tech architecture design, yes. So yesterday, it was mentioned that it was in our vision to have a PPP stack, and it also the department. So we quickly sort of jumped in and suggested a architecture design for this to the department, and also suggested a database design for the same. Moving on to Saral data management practices. Now, Saral was a huge success, but with adoption came the problem of scale. So here we did a quick diagnostic and then had suggested the possible solutions. Moving on to Rozgar portal. So here the product is we quickly jumped in to sort of help them with the architecture design. So that was the consulting that we did here. Moving on to pharma database, as mentioned earlier, this is a very audacious project, right? We want security and design by construct. We sort of helped and consulted on creating the database schema design and also the architecture of the whole project. The next is for Mission Prerna. What we did was evaluate different vendors and sort of come up with a sort of collateral for that. The last one is a WhatsApp-based communication template, which any government official can look and sort of quickly assess. So these are the collaterals that we created in this. There are two collaterals that I want to point towards. One is what are the options that are available for any government department. And the second one is a cost calculator, where we sort of created a framework where they can enter different things and quickly get a calculation of what the amount for this could be. So with that, it brings me to the end of my session. Thank you.